Hello there, my name is Faisal Nadeem and welcome to our another video on job interview training course. In this video, I will teach you how to prepare for a teacher job interview. If you are applying for a teacher role in any institution, make sure to stay tuned to this video because I promise to help you pass your interview at the first attempt, okay? And to achieve this objective, I'm sharing with you the top 5 most important commonly asked teacher job interview questions and their sample answers. I will also let you know the purpose of asking each question from the hiring manager so you can create your answer by including, all those important things that I will teach you in this video. I have already uploaded a video on teacher job description that includes all the very important duties and responsibilities of a teacher as well as all the necessary skills and qualification requirement. So do check out that particular video as well as it will also help you a lot in your interview preparation, okay? The link is in the description of this video. Very quickly, before we get started, if you are watching my video for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming career focused content. All right, let's jump in. So, the first important question from the interviewer is, can you describe your teaching experience and educational background? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your qualifications and your background to ensure that whether you have the necessary education and experience for this particular teaching role or not, okay? So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I have a bachelor's degree in accounting and hold a teaching certification as well. Over the past 5 years, I have taught accounting at ABC School. My experience includes creating and delivering engaging lesson plans, assessing student progress, and fostering a positive and inclusive classroom environment. Question number 2. What teaching methods and strategies do you employ to address diverse learning needs in your classroom? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your teaching approach and your ability to cater to the diverse learning styles and needs of the students, okay? So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I believe in differentiated instruction to meet the unique needs of every student. I use a variety of teaching methods such as hands on activities, group discussions, and multimedia resources to engage students with different learning preferences. I also regularly assess student progress to adapt my teaching strategies accordingly. Question number 3. How do you manage classroom behavior and ensure a positive and inclusive learning environment? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your classroom management skills and your commitment to creating a welcoming and productive classroom atmosphere as well. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, classroom management is essential for effective teaching. I establish clear expectations for behavior, reinforce positive behavior through praise, and address challenging behavior with a proactive and respectful approach. I also foster inclusivity by creating a safe space for all students to participate and express themselves. Question number 4. Can you provide an example of a challenging situation in your teaching career and how you successfully handled it? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your problem solving skills, your adaptability, and your ability to address challenging situations that may arise in the classroom. Okay. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, in a previous role, I had a student who was struggling academically and exhibiting disruptive behavior. I initiated a meeting with the student's parents and school counselor to develop a personalized support plan. We provided additional resources and one on one tutoring, and the students' behavior and performance improved significantly. Question number 5. How do you stay updated with current educational trends and incorporate them into your teaching? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your commitment to professional development and more importantly, your willingness to adapt to, changing educational trends. Okay. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I am a strong advocate for continuous professional development. I attend workshops and conferences related to my field, read educational journals, and actively participate in online education communities. This helps me stay updated with the latest teaching methods and technology, which I incorporate into my lessons to enhance the learning experience for my students. So, there you have it, 5 most important commonly asked teacher job interview questions along with their sample answers. I have already uploaded a video on teacher job description that can also help in preparation of your teacher job interview. The link is in the description of this video. Always remember that practice makes perfect. So, take these answers as a starting point and tailor them to your own experiences and skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel Knowledge Topper and also give us a thumbs up as well. You can also share it with anyone you think could benefit from it, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video on Knowledge Topper. Until then, keep striving for professional success. Have a good day.